I missed this exit.
Don't say that you miss me. Just come get me. Don't know, I just know I want to.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's currently the morning time. It's 8:30 in the morning. It's Saturday, August 30th, and I'm headed to a makeup appointment. So today I'm taking y'all with me to do a travel makeup appointment, and yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And I'm gonna vlog a little bit of that and just like a little bit of my morning and how that goes. So currently I'm on my way, but before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video and all that good stuff. First things first, I'm going to get me some breakfast from McDonald's. I love McDonald's breakfast, like, so much. I don't know why. I should actually, no, we're gonna go to McDonald's. I wanted to get some Starbucks this morning, but I want McDonald's breakfast and a Starbucks drink, but I'm thinking I may not have the time to do that. The place that I'm going, I think, is about 15 minutes away from me, so I just want to be on time and like get ready to like set up and all that good stuff. So I brought me a water bottle because I knew I was gonna need something to drink, and I'll be trying to stay hydrated throughout my appointments. So yeah, let's go. Let's get us some McDonald's. Can I please get a sausage muffin with egg? And a hash brown.
One?
Yeah. Do I want some coffee? No, that'll be it.
Alright, so one sausage and one hash brown?
Yes, please.
Alright, first one up, you can tell me 460.
Thank you. So let's put the address in for this makeup appointment just to make sure that we're still like 15 minutes away. 11 minutes. That's even better. 11 minutes. So last night I worked an overnight shift. So I'm tired. Yes.
463.
Thank you, you too. My baby daddy's calling me. It's too early. Hello.
Hey, how long you work today for?
What is your favorite to go get breakfast from? Like, Burger King got breakfast, Wendy's got breakfast. I think Taco Bell has breakfast. I've never had their breakfast. I'm kind of nervous to try Taco Bell breakfast. I want to know what to get. Yeah, Starbucks has breakfast. Chick-fil-A has breakfast. So I feel like everybody got breakfast. Anywho, let me eat. I'm gonna make it my way to my makeup appointment, to my client's house, and then I will see y'all when I arrive. So tell me why I am almost gonna be late because I missed my exit. Yeah, I was literally 10 minutes away. I made myself become like 22 minutes away. But thankfully now, so it's 8:55. I'll be there in like 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, I'll be there in like 5 to 7 minutes. What's going on out here? It's not a racetrack. I'll be there in 5 to 7 minutes. I contacted my client and let her know what time I'm gonna arrive. So And that's how I missed my exit, by contacting her and letting her know that I'm on my way and I'll be there within 5 minutes. And that made me become later. So one thing about being a travel makeup artist, which is good, I'm glad that I did not stop for Starbucks, because if I would have stopped for Starbucks, then I would have been even more late. Like, so it's always good to like leave ahead of time, like more than you think you have. So if I, like I said, I had 10 minutes left, I left at 8:30, so, or I had 10 minutes to get there, 11 minutes. I left my house at 8:30. That leaves me about 20 minutes or so, you know, so 20 extra minutes. So it's nice to always have time, because then I could have been like way more late. Like now I'm arriving at the time, which is good. So that's definitely like a tip of being a travel makeup artist. Always leave ahead of time, not the time that your GPS says you're gonna make it there, because you never know. Like, you just gotta plan for the unknown, and plan for mishaps or anything that could happen within your time of traveling, because you can't control travel. Like, sometimes it's traffic, sometimes it's accidents, you just never know, or you miss the wrong exit. So yep, but I'm gonna be there shortly. I'm gonna be there in like 5 minutes now. And that McDonald's was good. It was fresh, except for my hash brown. It was not fresh. My hash brown, they played me with that one. They could have did a lot better with that. Put me some hash brown and some new grease. It tasted like old. Anywho, though, yeah, we're gonna arrive in 5 minutes. I'm not gonna show too much, just because I want to keep the privacy of my client, obviously, and where they live. Like, that's not something you post on the internet. So yeah, and I want to pay attention to where I'm going and making sure I'm not missing no exit. I can't believe I missed this exit, because anywho. But yeah, so I'm gonna pay attention where I'm going. I'm gonna be there in like a few minutes now, so I will see y'all when I get there and I unload my stuff. All right, we are arriving to my client's house now. I'm gonna try to locate where I'm going, because I really don't know. I've never been over this way. Am I supposed to be in the back? I'm gonna call them actually. I don't know. Make sure.
Hello?
Hey, this is Niche. I'm here, but I'm not sure. The GPS took me to the back, like where the garage is. Should I be this way, or should I be on the street?
I think you should be on the street.
Alright, so we're gonna get ready and get out. See, this is the one thing about traveling, like, you don't know when or what, like, unless you've been to the place before. Like, that's a good thing, like, to leave early as well, because I've never been here, so I really don't know where I'm going. So it's good to be like, better safe than sorry. And also have some gun with you when you're doing makeup. So let's get our stuff out here. Okay, let's see how we gonna do this. Whatever. Not necessarily. I was gonna say, well, I was gonna bring my wagon, but with the steps, maybe I'll just carry it all up there instead. Sure, yes. I always be like, no, I don't need help, but yes, okay. Alright y'all, this is me directly after. I should have shown like some clips of the makeup that I did. It was 2 people that I just came from, which took me 2 hours, about 2.5 hours for both those people. Let me put my seatbelt on. Look really good. I didn't know the first woman, she's getting married. She never wore makeup before, like ever. Those is always like fun but nerve-wracking clients to get, is the ones who never wear makeup. But I get so many people, a lot of my clients are people who never wear makeup or don't wear a lot of makeup and don't really like the heavy foundation. So we did something really light for her, except for the eyes. The eyes were dramatic, and that's what I let her know, like, just so you know, like, this is makeup, this is dramatic. And she was cool with that, and she really liked it, and everybody else liked it. They had a full house, so I'm excited for them. I love weddings and just big events. I love when people come to me for big events, or just because. You can come to me for any reason, really. But I love black love. So I'm super happy that my clients enjoyed their makeup. They love their makeup. The makeup, both of them ate down. I can't wait to see like pictures, and hopefully like before I edit I'll be able to get some pictures from them that I can add into this video. So we'll see about that. But that's it for me today. Get to like, comment, and subscribe since y'all made it this far. Share the video, all that good stuff. If you have any questions about being a makeup artist, let me know. If you have any comments about being a makeup artist, if you are a makeup artist and you travel, let me know how it is for you. Like, what's your routine when you travel? Today was kind of crazy. I like forgot some stuff. I started a little bit later than I expected, and I was kind of just running on their time. When people have like events, and usually when I don't have like more places to go, I'm flexible. But yeah, it was a good appointment. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, so that's that. I have been thinking lately, like, I'm gonna raise my prices. I feel like because I'm mostly like a travel makeup artist, that it takes a lot to travel, like with all the equipment and everything like that. With me being pregnant and without me being pregnant, it's just a lot to travel with all the equipment. You don't know if they have stairs, like just one base fee for everybody or whatever. I don't want to charge people like per thing, but I feel like that's how you make more money. But I'm really not in it for the money. I actually really like what I do, but I realized that it's time for me to like up my prices a little bit more, just a little bit. I don't want to be like unaffordable. Like, I really want people to still be able to use my services, and I want to provide like a luxury service at an affordable cost for people, because I mean, hey, I appreciate if someone, you know, if it's something I can afford, and yeah, if it's something that I can afford too, like, and it's a luxury service, I feel like, you know, just, I don't know, I feel like that's nice to be able to not have to spend an arm and a leg on something that is a luxury service, and still being able to you know, look cute, treat yourself, and things like that. So anywho, I'm gonna see and look at my numbers and everything like that, and see what I'm gonna be looking at if I raise my prices or not. But more than likely I am. I just don't know how much is the thing. So, and you can't feel bad. That's one thing I've learned too. Like, you can't feel bad raising your prices. Like, we are definitely, like, the price of everything is going up these days. Like, so the prices is like the things that I buy in any product or like any service provider or anything like that. If you're providing a service, you're gonna have to buy supplies, you're gonna have to buy product in order to provide your service. So it's like you're gonna have to eventually raise your prices along with the inflation of goods. It's just how business works. So that's really one of the main reasons, because things are getting higher. I also want to stay as a luxury, you know, and provide quality to my clients, and like give them good products and keep giving them a good experience, because not only is it's like just a service, it's also an experience when you book with me as well too. So yeah, anywho, I'm done talking your ear off. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna make this the end of my video actually, because I feel like I'm just gonna keep on rambling anyway. But yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. You can follow my beauty page. It is Niche Beauty Market on Instagram, and I'm gonna have that linked below. And then I also believe it's Niche Beauty Market on TikTok as well, I think, because I'm not really on that TikTok that often. But go ahead and follow me on both of my beauty pages. And if you want to follow me on my personal pages, I got y'all like just sliding around here. So I'm gonna let y'all go, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, comment and let me know what's up. If you're a makeup artist, where are you located? But like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.